Good evening, everyone. My name is Chandramaulika. I am working as a yoga teacher. Today, I am going to talk about the topic yoga for students. But before that, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Manishi Yoga Institute for giving me this wonderful opportunity to participate in 100 Days Talk Series organized in celebration of the International Day of Yoga 2026. Today, I want to talk about why yoga is important for students. Nowadays, students are always sitting and studying, and in their homes also, they are always sitting and studying. In their free times also, they are always using mobiles and scrolling the mobiles, and they are not even playing in their free times also. So in this competitive world, they are facing so much of pressure because of their studies, exams, and also because of the parents and their expectations. So because for all these problems, I think yoga is the better option. Yoga is the best medicine for them. Because if they are starting to practice yoga daily, it reduces their stress and anxiety, and also they can improve uh, in their academic performances also. So by doing some asanas, they can reduce stress and also get good body posture. They're always sitting in classrooms, and after the school also they are sitting and studying their homes. Because of this, they get bad body postures. This childhood bad poor posture can become more anatomical can get the more anatomical complications in their adult life. To avoid this, they try to practice some asanas every day. It will improve their body postures and body flexibility. And also by doing some breathing techniques, it can improve them. It can helps them to reduce the stress in positive way. And also by doing meditation is very important for students. By doing meditation, they can reduce the stress and anxiety, and also it helps them to get good concentration, and also helps to improve their attention span and improves focus also. అంటే ఎప్పుడు చదువు మరియు ఆటలు ఎంతసేపు, చాలా మంది మనం పేరెంట్స్ కూడా పిల్లల్ని ఆడుకోవడానికి మరియు డాన్సులు, సాంగ్స్, సింగింగ్ అంటూ చాలా చాలా అదర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ కూడా నేర్పిస్తూ ఉంటాము. అలాగే వాటితో పాటు యోగా అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. వీలైనంత వరకు పేరెంట్స్ కూడా స్టూడెంట్స్ కోసం, వాళ్ళ పిల్లల కోసం యోగా అనేది వాళ్ళ డైలీ లైఫ్ లో ఒక రొటీన్ లాగా అలవాటు చేస్తే వాళ్ళు లైఫ్ లో చాలా సక్సెస్ గా మరియు చాలా హెల్తీ అండ్ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు. So they will be very if they make yoga as their daily routine, they will be very success and healthy in their life. And yoga is an ancient technique to combine body, mind, and soul. And also, it is not just an exercise; it is a way of healthy life. So it is better to do yoga daily. For exams, also, so many students are studying very well, but during the exam time, they feel very stressed. Because of that, they are not able to recall what they are studying. So to reduce this type of stresses, it is better to practice yoga daily. It helps them to improve their focus and concentration, and also reduces stress and anxiety. And also yoga also helps the students to uh, to control their emotions, and also those students who practice yoga every day, they will be very disciplined in their life also. Finally, I want all the students to make practicing yoga daily. డైలీ యోగా చేయడం ఒక అలవాటుగా మార్చుకుంటే చాలా మంచిది. Do yoga every day and be healthy, both physically and mentally. Thank you.